Alright, take one. No training, no editing, no preparation. We just got to the farm, walked out here. Dog's just following us around. Dog has never met Jenny. Doesn't know Jenny from Shinola. I'll take it back. She's seen him once when we transported him, but other than that. So, like I said, we're just gonna come out here and see what we can see about his attitude. So as you can see, we have goats and donkeys, and these donkeys will educate him in a hurry if the goats don't. So, like I said, that's what we'll see, is what we see. These are all tame animals that have been hand-fed and follow us around. So hopefully we can get them to come out. It's done nothing but rain in Kentucky. So, one thing you'll just notice is he doesn't care. I don't believe he has any interest other than rolling in goat poop. It seems like a fun thing to do. That's a good donkey. Yeah, what? Says, what's the deal with a cameraman? So,
I'm trying to get the animals to move around.
Yeah, so we're going to try to get the goats and the other donkeys to come out and move around. Easier said than done in this rainy, mucky weather. So other than the little bit of work we did at the kennel, Riot hasn't had much practice since we got him back from his owner who's passing away. But he's got solid basic obedience and clearly no particular agenda out here with these animals. I think he just thinks they're weird. And they are. That is a weird animal. There's our ghetto goat jungle. Seems a little bit afraid of them. Not a bad thing. If he gets too close to those donkeys, they will educate him for sure. They're in no uncertain terms unfriendly to dogs. That's their job. Whoop coyotes.
No electric, no leash.
Yeah, no practice.
Don't think goats are a problem.
No warm up. Doesn't care. So, I think that's a fairly reasonable test. I think if he was interested in these goats in a malicious way, you would see him staring at them, giving them the evil eye, and being some stalking behavior. All you're seeing is just a dog that doesn't really care.